I want to stop really quick. Please hit that like and subscribe button.
Speed it up, speed it up, speed it up, speed it up. Speed it up, 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 go fast.
All right, so I wanted to show my trading setup and what I actually bring with me when I'm traveling. I've recently started using a VPS, which is actually a computer that you're renting, a physical computer to run your software on. I believe that's how it works in a different place, basically in the US or wherever the company is. With Quant VPS, you can choose the amount of processing power and RAM that you need, and they have NinjaTrader already pre-installed if you want on there, and you can boot it up and run it just like you would from home. So it makes it really easy when you're traveling not to over stress your laptop. I had problems in the past of my laptop's really not able to handle the processing power of a lot of the trading programs, and especially with NinjaTrader. So right now I bring this up here as well because it just gives you a better, healthier way to work, is if you can get one of these little stands to prop up the laptop and a separate Bluetooth keyboard and a Bluetooth mouse. And people are going to say, what about a hardwired mouse? If something goes wrong, you do have to keep the pad on your laptop if you need to use that. And the good thing is, apparently you can also log into your VPS through your phone. In an emergency, I guess that would work, or your tablet. So for me, this has really helped a lot to make it easier to work when I'm actually on travel. And you can see it just really makes things a lot easier to use this VPS, so that I'm not melting basically my laptop and worrying about having it overheat or whatever. Just remember, you do need to sometimes use a VPN, virtual private network, to be able to bypass the hotel's Wi-Fi so that you can actually remotely work, because for whatever reason they block remote connections sometimes. That's what I found out from Quant VPS. I'm using Surfshark right now. It seems to be working very well, and that's also just a good safeguard for you when you're traveling, so that your data is protected from anybody trying to hack you or whatever while you're traveling. So VPN is a good idea anyways when you're traveling. I forgot to mention the additional monitor, and also make sure that you have one of these USB multi-port extenders, because most laptops aren't going to have that many ports. I do this particular extra monitor HP because it's pretty compact and it only has one cord with power and for the monitor visuals, so it's all tied into that one cable. I do that a lot. I've got bigger monitors that I don't like just because they're a little bit too large. If you are interested in the comments or had any questions, just comment below on how you set up your trading setup. And if this helped you out, let me know. If you are a traveling trader and do a lot of trading on the road, let me know how this has helped you, or if you have any suggestions for others in the community.
Turns of four turns of 8. Sleep and get paid. Rich when I wait. I bet the bank. I set the pace. That's what I make. That's what I make. Counting pockets, that's a trending topic. You got this and you got that, but got no spending options. I keep quiet, but still get it rocking. I keep quiet with it in my pocket. I keep quiet, moving stuff is silent.